All right, guys, welcome back. This is going to be episode 3 of our Chronicles so far.
Oh, it's been amazing. We're in Vegas. It's hot as anything. About 100 degrees today. Hotter tomorrow. So we're just kind of hanging out here. We're at Sam's Town, KOA.
Yep.
Really nice. We're going to walk over to the casino right now. Check that out. Get some food.
I think we'll check out the casino maybe a little bit later, but we just got to get some food there. Like always, there's some RV repairs to be done. And being in Vegas, 24 by 7 town, we've got an RV tech coming out today. Called them this morning. They're going to be here this afternoon. So quick over to get some food and whatnot. And then the plans for the rest. So we're here until Saturday morning. Plans tonight, and we're taking you guys with us. We're going to Fremont. Everyone's like, you got to go. Food, the drinks, the atmosphere. Hopefully a Thursday night is not like super busy because we're not 20 anymore. You know what I mean? So doing that. And then we're going to walk the strip at night. Yes, a little dangerous, but man, those lights, you got to see it, right? You got to see the strip at night.
You have to see it at night.
Yeah, so we're doing strip at night. And then tomorrow, after work, we have plans in the afternoon that she's excited for, that I'm excited for. We are going to the Sphere to see Wizard of Oz.
Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I started noticing the Sphere online, and I thought it was the coolest thing, and at first I thought it was AI. It is not. I am just amazed that they are able to do what they do with that thing. So to be able to go to some place that I have been looking at for over a year and a half, and to actually see one of my favorite movies in it, dream come true.
And I still forgot my phone, so hopefully that RV tech doesn't call.
Oh no.
I mean, like I said, guys, this is real life. This is things that happen, right?
Yeah.
I'll get some footage inside if I can, if they let me. Who knows? It's Vegas. We will catch you guys at Fremont tonight for dinner.
And I want to research this.
Oh, yeah. So she sees this, right? We don't know. The ACs are on the roofs. So if any of you guys are from Nevada or Vegas, can you tell us in the comments why your ACs are on the roof? I think it's because the ground gets hot and they overheat the units. But
and speaking of ground getting hot, we got Charlie some shoes.
I'll throw in that clip right here.
He sounds like a horse.
He does. Good boy. We got Charlie's shoes because this ground, I mean, I put my hand on the ground for 5 seconds and it was getting red hot. So didn't want Charlie just kind of walking on it, burning his feet up. So it's quite hilarious.
It's funny. It's really funny. Okay, so I don't know where we're going. We need to pay attention. So
yes. So like I said, we'll see you guys tonight at Fremont for dinner. We are all prepared. Well, I guess like half prepared.
Half repaired.
Yeah. We got the new breakaway switch, so we're safe on that end, and ended up getting a new propane regulator because it was leaking pretty bad.
Like so bad you could smell it standing outside of the rig.
Yeah. That's all done. We're gonna have them look at the slides. There's a slide problem, but it's not that they don't function. They just don't close right, and
they don't open right.
Yeah. So we talked to them, but if they have to order parts, it's gonna take too long. So we'll have another tech at the next stop look at them because we'll have quite a bit more time there. So we're over here at the pickup spot. We are
gonna be sweating. We're gonna be sweating.
Yeah. We're on our way to Fremont, and so we will see you guys when we get to Fremont.
Goodbye, guys. I'm really looking forward to this.
All right, guys. I know it's loud. Hopefully you can hear us. We're at Fremont Street, and let me tell you what. This vibe is absolutely insane.
Oh my gosh.
If you had to personify the craziest vision of Vegas, this is it. We've seen a lot, and we've been here for about 10 minutes.
Yeah. I mean, we are being total tourists right now.
Oh, yeah.
Like, we've already found $5.
Right.
Yeah, it's such a vibe.
It is.
Yeah, this is.
So we walked down to one end, and we saw the zip lines. We're like, oh, zip lines are open. Well, we walked down to the exit. Yep. So, yeah. So that'll be us here in about 10 minutes or so. We're gonna go figure out where the zip lines start, and we're gonna go to Superman across Fremont Street. So, I'll insert that right here. Well, after flying down Fremont Street, we decided to slow things down a little and enjoy the rest of our evening in Las Vegas. One thing we've learned while traveling full-time is that Vegas can get away from you really fast. There's always something to see, something to do, another show, another attraction, another restaurant. Before you know it, you spend an entire day and a lot more money than you planned. So instead of trying to do everything, we picked a few things that we really wanted to experience and enjoyed the city at our own pace. Of course, that included finding some good food. After all, walking up and down Fremont Street and the Vegas Strip really can work up an appetite. One attraction that was high on our list was the Sphere. We were lucky enough to catch the Wizard of Oz experience, and seeing the Sphere lit up at night was almost worth a trip by itself. Pictures really don't do it justice. It's one of those things you have to see in person to appreciate. After that, we spent some time exploring one of the many incredible shopping areas on the Strip. Even if you're not planning to buy anything, it's amazing how much effort goes into creating these spaces. Everywhere you look feels like it's its own attraction. And because no Vegas visit is complete without a buffet, we wrapped up our night at Caesar's Palace. Let's just say, nobody left hungry. The next morning, it was time to get back on the road and continue our journey. Las Vegas was definitely an unforgettable stop, but there still are plenty of miles ahead and a lot more adventures waiting for us. If you enjoyed coming along with us, we'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We'd love to know what your favorite thing to do in Las Vegas is. Thanks for traveling with us, and we'll see you in the next adventure.